Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today I'm about to show you to vise your hair to make you more fabulous. Sure you got all the tools you needed. Put the vise wire into the electric socket. Using a hair comb, you have to brush your hair first.
Apply the hair vitamin into your hair. In this tutorial, I'm using Ellipse product. Separate your hair using hair clip. This step will help you vise your hair easily. If the vise have already had, it can be used. Start vising your hair from the base up to the end of your hair. After you finishing your vise, now you can start your hair too. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.